Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make your own brushes on Procreate. First thing you do, press on the paintbrush, slide up there, press the plus, and you can rename something, so I'll just rename it Happy. So then once you've got that, you're going to press the plus at the top and you come onto this screen. Now you have lots of different things you can do, so streamlines, jitter, fall off, so how you want it to load up. Then we've also got taper, so you can do that. So that's the amount of pressure that can go onto it. So doesn't look like it's doing much, but it is doing something. You could do that. A bit of that. So there's lots of different things you can do. So we've got all of them. You can just mess with them. Now for the shape, there's lots more things you can do for that. Right, so the grain. So again, lots of moving around there is. So yeah, there's lots of things you can do. If you go on to texturized, can then make your brush however you want it. The sky's the limit. So there's anything you want really. And then here, again, more bits you can do that with. Again, all of them. Yep. Doesn't look like it's doing anything to the brush, but it would be. Then wet mix. For some reason it's not working. Color dynamics, we'll try that. Yeah, now that looks cool, doesn't it? So go on now, saturation, and that would be the color for any color you have. So you can make it all however you want it, customize it to make it your own pen, and you can say to people, I made this pen. So it can be however you want it. Dynamics, again, you can just make it like that, opaque. And then the rest is just, you can customize your about the brush studio thing. So that's about it to make your own brush. It's quite cool. And then I'll make it colour, and look at that. Can't say that's not cool. So you can make it your own brush. And you can make you could even make a snake, like you do that, because it looks all rounded. So that's how you make your own custom. And you can also pull down that and make the background how you want it. So thanks for watching.